Question 5. So 5a, here is a 3789 3799, and here is blank and then 3819. So actually what is the result in here? Look, here and here, what is the difference? 8999. So first we have to find out the difference, which one is bigger. So we have to, from this term to this term, we will subtract 3799. It means it's a second term, and first term is 3789. So 9 minus 9, it will be 0. 9 minus 8, it's a 10. So from these two terms, the difference is 10. So if we add 3799 with 10, so result will be 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10, it's a 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1, it's a 8, and here is a 3. So same thing, if we add again 0, 1, 0, so here is a 9, 1, 8, 9, which is this. So we can say here will be 3809. Next, 4738, 4838, 4938. So look, here is a 7, here is a 8, here is a 9. So what is the difference? It's a 1th. Look, 4738. This is a 1s. It's a 10th. And this is a 100. It's a 1000, right? So the difference only in 100 place. So 7, 8, 9. So 4938. If we add 100, so here is a 8, 3, 9 plus 1, it's a 10, 0, carry 1, 4 plus 1, it will be 5. So we can say here is a 5038. We are adding, add plus 100. Okay, here 987, 987, but here is a 1, here is a 3, so we can say it will be 2987 because the difference is 1000. Here is a 1302, 1301, 1300, so it will be 1299 because just look 1302 subtract 1301, the difference is 1. So here is the adding 1. So this case 1300, if we subtract 1, we will get 1299. So once we add 1, we will get this one. So number 5 done. Number 6, here is also same thing. Complete the following number patterns. So we are trying to solve this one step by step. Question 6. So here is a 1309 01 1300 1298. It means it's a subtract 1, reduce 1. So here it should be 1302. Once we subtract 1, it will be 1301. Now look, here is a 3903, 2903, 1903. So it should be 103 because here minus 100, 1000. 4737, 4637, and here is a 4437. So here should be 4537. Here is a subtract 100 from each term. 3708, 3688, 3678. So we have to work in here. So what is the difference? 3678 subtract 3688. So it's a 10 but minus 10. So it's a minus 10. It means here should be what? 3, 6. But here is a problem because here is a 3688, 3678. So if we write here 5 3 6. Okay, 3 6. Here 8 8 and 7 8. So here is a 7 8 9 8, right? Here is a 3 6 9 8. 3 6 9 8 minus 10, because 3 7 0 8 minus 3 6 9 8, here is a 8 10 minus 9, it's a what, 1. So this one becomes 6, 6 minus 6, so the difference is 10. 3708, if we subtract 10, it will be 3698. If we subtract 10, 3688, and then 3678. Write the missing numbers. So here is a 4024 and here is a 4034. So it means add 10. So here should be 4044. Here will be 4054. And here is a 4064. So this one, okay. Next, here 4034 and 3934, 3834. It means here should be 3734, and here will be 3634, right? 3634. 3634, and here is a 4634, 5634. So 3634, 4634, 5634. So we can say 6634, right? So here is a 5635, 5634, 5633, and here is a 5632. Very interesting, right? So we can say 45631, and this is a 5630. So here is a 4631 and 5631. Here is a 2631. It means 3631, 4631, 5631. So here will be 6631. 2630, 2630. Sorry, 2631 30. So it will be 2629, 26, and it should be 19. So here is a 2728, and it's a what, 2630, 2631, 2630. So here will be 2629, it's okay, and it should be 2629. We have to write this one is a carefully. So we can write 2631, 2630, 2629, and then 2628, 2728, 2828, then 29. Here is a 8, right? Here is a 8, and then 2928, and finally this one is a 3028. So it's a very interesting question. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any minimum confusion, please write a line in the comment section. After this, our exercise 4 has done. Next video we will start exercise 5. Till then, take care, keep practice, and this part is very important. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice. Goodbye.